My name is Misha Martin, Assistant Professor, Shirodpura Sarkar University, Faculty of Science Department. Today my topic is gram staining. Bacteria is divided into two categories, gram positive and gram negative. First of all, the gram procedure is given by the Christian Gram in 1884. What is the gram staining or gram procedure? So first of all, we fix the bacterial smear in glass slide. Then first is fixation procedure. Fixation is done by the heat procedure, gentle heat procedure of smear. Then we add a crystal violet stain, then iodine solution, that is grams iodine solution. Decolorizing agent is alcohol, and last is counter stain is safranin. After staining, we observe the smear in microscope. There is two color, purple color and pink color. Gram positive bacteria shows purple color in under microscope, and gram negative bacteria shows pink color in under microscope observation. So, the structure and chemical composition of bacterial cell wall. First of all, gram-positive bacteria has peptidoglycan and teichoic acid, and gram-negative bacteria is peptidoglycan and outer membrane. So, the peptidoglycan layer. The peptidoglycan is complex polymer consisting of three parts. First is backbone, is composing of alternating N-acetylglucosamine and N-acetylmumaric acid. Second, a set of identical tetrapeptide side chain attached to N-acetylmumaric acid and set of identical peptide cross page. Like this, there is a N-acetylglucosamine and N-acetylmumaric acid, and acetylmumaric acid is have set of 4 amino acid, and there is a bond between the N-acetylmumaric acid and N-acetylglucosamine. So the tetrapeptide side chain and peptide cross bridge vary from species to species. The tetrapeptide side chain of all species have first L-alanine at position 1, which is attached to N-acetylmumaric acid. Second is D-glucotamine or substitute, its second position, and third is D-alanine at position 4. The position 3 is the most variable one. The gram negative bacteria have diaminopimelic acid DAP at that position, to which it link the lipoprotein cell wall component discussed below. Gram positive bacteria usually have L-lysine at position 3. However, some may have dimobilic acid and other amino acid at the position. So tetrapeptide side chain and the peptide cross bridge vary from the species to species. There is a structure of gram positive bacteria. There is showing a L-acetylglucosamine mumaric acid which is attached to L-alanine, glucotamine, lysine, alanine, and there is a glycine bridge between this amino acid. That is the gram positive bacteria structure. Second is gram negative bacteria structures like this. The fact the peptidoglycan chains are cross-linked mean the each other peptidoglycan layer in a single giant molecule. In gram negative, gram positive bacteria, there are many as 40 sheet of peptidoglycan compared to 50% of the cell wall material in gram negative bacteria. So, the spatial characteristic of gram positive bacterial cell wall is teichoic acid. Teichoic acid is present only in gram positive bacterial cell wall. Function of teichoic is constituting major surface antigen of the gram positive species that possesses them. In Streptococcus pyogenes, LT is associated with M protein that protrudes from the all cell membrane through the peptidoglycan layer. Spatial component gram negative cell wall is outer lipopolysaccharide LPS. There is the lipoprotein, phospholipid bilayer and lipopolysaccharide. That is the outer membrane. Thank you.